Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to become a Canva creator. First you visit canva.com/creators/. You'll find this page. Click on Become a Creator. Welcome to Canva Creators. Choose what type of content you will be creating. I'll choose templates to create free or pro templates. Apply. To apply to become a Canva creator, you must share a URL to your design work. For example, your Behance, your country of residence, and click on Apply. After you apply, you must wait. They will become in touch with you after they review your application. You must have good work on your portfolio. If accepted, they will provide a short training course to help you design in Canva for Canva. Then after that you can start creating and earning. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.